Hello, I'm here to explain why you might need multiple versions of Python and why not to just install them all in the same operating system instead of using a virtual installation. You might be a software developer working for multiple companies, and maybe some of those companies are using a recent version of Python and some are using an outdated version, but they're using legacy software that they haven't decided to update yet to the newer version. The good news is there's simple version management software called PyEnv available for free on GitHub. The nice thing about this is they include all the information you need to install it. As long as you do it exactly this way, it'll be fine. From the main GitHub page, you want to open the wiki link and scroll down here to where it says Ubuntu Debian Mint. You're going to highlight this box. Go to the command line and install these dependencies. You might want to do a sudo apt update really quick if you haven't done that in a while. Okay, just want to right click here and go to paste. As you can see, I haven't installed these yet, so this is probably going to take a few minutes. Okay, once you've got the dependencies installed, you want to go to your main GitHub page and scroll down here to where it says installation and click it. Now where it says Linux/Unix, expand that, and this is all you're going to need to get this done. So copy this and paste it into your terminal. Okay, once you've copied the curl line from GitHub to install PyEnv, you want to copy these 3 lines from the end of this window. Do not just close your terminal window. So I'm going to show you what you're going to do with these. It's saying right here you don't have PyEnv added to the load path, but what you're going to do is add it to the terminal by adding it to your bashrc file by doing this. xed /.bashrc. If you've got another favorite editor, you can use that instead. Just scroll down to the end and you're probably going to want to do this. Shift 3 PyEnv config or something similar. Hit enter once and right click and paste. Then you're going to want to save this and exit. Now go ahead and close your terminal and reopen it, and it's going to be in your path. All you've got to do is just type in PyEnv and you'll see that it's in the path now. Now if you type in PyEnv install -- list, that's going to tell you what versions are available for install. I've got this old program that needs 3.70, so that's the one I'm going to go with. So to install a particular version, you're just going to want to go PyEnv install and then the version number. Now it's going to download this, and it's actually going to compile it right after it downloads it, so it's going to take a few minutes. I believe that took about 4 or 5 minutes. I'm going to install another version as well, just to test something. At the time of this video, 3.13.2 is the latest version. Okay, so I've went ahead and installed both of those versions of Python, but if I type in Python, I get an error message. So what I need to do is give PyEnv a file to point to tell it which version to use. You want to make sure you type in version and not versions. Now all I need to do is put in 3.7.0 because that's the version I want to use. Save it and exit. Now you'll see when I type in Python, I get Python. Now just for the heck of it, I'm going to edit that. And let's see if I get this version. Beautiful. Now I just went ahead and did this, so if you need to see where your versions of Python are actually at, you just want to type in ls tilde slash dot PyEnv slash versions. That's a folder, and it's got all your versions of Python, so if you make any changes, if you screw them up or something, you can just delete them and install them again, or just archive them, delete them, and unarchive them. That's all you really have to do. Okay, I'm going to try to demo this program really quick. I downloaded this program that's about 5 years old, and to get it to run, you have to use Python 3.7. Now you're supposed to copy this command here to install the requirements. So I'm going to go ahead and open a terminal here. I'm going to run this command and get an error message. Okay, it's going to tell me what I need to actually do is pip install -- upgrade pip. But that's not what I need to do yet. I need to do pip install setup tools and wheel. Okay, now I need to do what they said plus setup tools and wheel also. Now I'm going to try the requirements again. I'm going to go ahead and pause this. It's going to take a few minutes to download these. Okay, it just failed building wheels for this program, and that's because I forgot to install CMake. So I'm going to do that really quick. Okay, it's done already. Okay, I've installed everything this program needs, but I'm not going to be able to run it. Just to double check my version, 3.7.0. But if I go to run it, this is what I'm going to get. I don't have the right GPU or the right CPU. They're both pretty much outdated as of this point. I hope you enjoyed watching this video here of how to set up Python in a virtual environment so you don't screw up your Linux Mint install and have to go back and reinstall everything all over again like I've had to do several times before I discovered this program. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.